Looking for a great gift for dad or daddy for Father's Day? Look no further than the Serbian Chef knife from Husk Knives. I have several of the knives. They're all fantastic. I love each and every one of them. This one comes in a awesome leather case here. We'll go ahead and pop it open. They all come sharp straight out of the box. As you can see, beautiful knife here. You have an amazing wooden handle. The knife is full tang, so that blade is going to come all the way through. Absolutely stunning knife. It feels really comfortable in your hand. There's a lot of weight to it. It just looks so freaking cool. Like I said, really sharp, straight out of the box. I absolutely love mine. I use it all the time, and I think it makes for a really, really good Father's Day gift. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll put their shop link right there. They're running a sale, so if you want to grab it, make sure you get it quick.